Hey y'all, it's Grace at Living Well Realty. I am backing the tribute today, checking up on this beautiful house built by American legend. They just got drywall installed, so let's go take a look. All right, y'all, so this one is an inventory home, so I haven't shown y'all yet. My sweet client got it under contract and we're about halfway done, so we should be done late summer. So let's go take a look. This is a great two-story plan. I know it's a bit loud out here. They have started brick and stone. And that is the lake right there. Really good view. So I'll show you super quick. There's your awesome builders. All right, so drywall is done. It looks really great in here. So I will give you a quick tour. So obviously we'll go upstairs last, but this is formal dining in here. A lot of great space. And you have this living room with high ceilings, fireplace in the corner. And you can see you'll have a floor plug down here. This will all be the kitchen. So you have a big island right here. All of this will be cabinets. This is the walk-in pantry. A good amount of space in there. And my client, you of course already know, but we have triple sliders, which is so cool. It'll be great for entertaining, utilizing all this space out here. All right, here's the master bedroom. So we have a ton of windows back here. Great natural light and cathedral ceilings. Stepping into the bathroom. So this will be the shower right here next to the tub under the window. Over here on the right, you'll have dual vanities. So you can see the plumbing is ready for that. Then back here in the corner will be the water closet. So you'll have a separate door on that, and then the big master closet. So I know it's a bit dark in here still, but it's a good amount of space. The builders are closing all the windows, sealing up the house. We're supposed to get some rain later. But it looks great. Once you get those walls, you can really start to see where boundaries are. All right, so back in the front of the house. So right over here, this is the two-car garage. And then we also have a tandem. So two-car with the tandem. Some people store a golf cart back here or just use it for extra storage space. Over here will be laundry right off the garage. And then a little mud bench here. And then I'll show you this room at the front of the house. So you have really pretty windows. I love this shape. And this is a great guest room. It's on the first floor. So if you have someone who doesn't want to go up and down the stairs quite a bit, this is perfect. I like this floor plan quite a bit. And then it has this full bathroom right here. So this will be the tub. You have a window, let some natural light in, toilet, and then the sink. Right here is a linen closet. You can see where all of the outlets are. All right, let's head upstairs. So you have a nice big window here. So I was just talking to the builder and they said they're gonna get texture, trim, and cabinets all within the next 2 weeks. It just kind of depends on the weather. It's supposed to storm for a couple days. But that means after that we'll have paint, and then we'll probably have our walkthrough meeting. So this up here is a big game room. And this is the media room, which is so fun. Great for entertaining or just hanging out if you have guests over or a big game. This will all be railing here on either side. So you have a very open concept feeling. Step in here. So we are still at the front of the house now. So this is another bedroom. This is the closet. And then the full bathroom for this room. So you'll have a sink here and then the toilet and shower. Then over here, this will be a built-in cabinet, so you'll have a little desk there. You can use it for storage or a little office. Then we have the last room over here. And this one also has an ensuite full bath. And then this one, the closet is actually in the bathroom. So just a different layout. But this is gonna be a beautiful house, and the next few weeks should be fun to see a lot of progress. All right, y'all, isn't this house stunning? I am so excited for my sweet client and can't wait to continue to document this beautiful house. If you are watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you. So reach out to me, let's find you a house. And until then, y'all stay blessed.